guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Suman, and today's video is a spring season lookbook sort of video. And because I shop a lot these days, and why not? Because जब weight loss हो जाता है, आप small size, extra small sizes के कपड़े पहनते हो, then definitely I guess कि एक lookbook निकालना बनता ही है. And on my Instagram I posted some pictures few weeks ago, and you guys like it a lot. This is particular like a spring season lookbook की ही कुछ एक clips हैं जो मैंने वहाँ पे upload की थी. And today's video is all about lookbook sort of a video. Please leave a comment if you like this video, and please share your feedback as well. If you really want to see such kind of videos more, then please leave a comment and let me know so that I can shoot and make a content accordingly. Thing is, like on Saturday I will definitely upload one video which is going to be a weight loss related sort of a video. But as I said earlier, Wednesday is going to be a lifestyle video, and today is Wednesday. So yeah, and Saturday is going to be a weight loss sort of a video. So yeah, so let's start with the spring season lookbook sort of a video. Please share your comment and feedback if you have any, and please let me know what sort of videos and what sort of topics you are looking for my channel. So yeah, that's it. So let's get started with the look number one. Welcome back. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and please share your feedback and comment if you like this video. If you have any feedback, then please leave a comment, and I'll see you on Saturday with some good sort of weight loss kind of a video. So yeah, that's all about this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and your feedbacks means a lot to me. So yeah, till the time, take care. Bye. See you on Saturday.